Imagine walking into a workplace where nothing is where it should be. Tools are missing. Boxes block walkways. Employees waste time searching for equipment. Old paperwork piles up everywhere, and every small task takes longer than it should. This is exactly the problem 5S was designed to solve. 5S is a workplace organization method developed as part of lean manufacturing inside Toyota. The goal is simple: create a workspace that is clean, organized, efficient, and easy to maintain. The name 5S comes from 5 Japanese words: sort, set in order, shine, standardize, sustain. The first step is sort. You remove everything that is not needed: old tools, broken equipment, unused materials, outdated paperwork. If it does not help the process, it gets removed. The second step is set in order. Everything that remains gets organized logically. Tools are placed where they are used most often. Labels are added. Storage locations become clear. The goal is simple: anybody should be able to find what they need immediately. The third step is shine. This means cleaning and inspecting the workspace regularly. A clean workplace is not just about appearance. Cleaning helps teams spot leaks, damage, wear, and safety problems before they become serious issues. The fourth step is standardize. Once improvements work, you create consistent rules so everybody follows the same process. Checklists, labels, visual standards, clear procedures. Without standardization, workplaces slowly drift back into chaos. The final step is sustain. This is the hardest part. Most workplaces improve temporarily, then slowly return to old habits. Sustain means building discipline so the improvements continue long-term. Regular audits, daily checks, team accountability, continuous reinforcement. Imagine a warehouse where staff spend 10 minutes every shift searching for packing tape. Management barely notices the problem because it feels normal. But after implementing 5S, every tool has a clearly labeled location beside the workstation. Suddenly, the wasted movement disappears. 10 minutes saved across 50 workers every day becomes hundreds of hours recovered every year. That is the real power of 5S. Not giant transformation projects, simple improvements applied consistently. 5S works because organized workplaces reduce waste, improve safety, increase efficiency, and make problems visible faster. It also creates something equally important: consistency. When workplaces are clean and standardized, processes become easier to manage and improve. 5S is not about creating perfect workplaces. It is about removing the friction that slows people down every single day. The companies that operate most efficiently are usually not the most complicated. They are often the simplest. Everything has a place. Everything is visible, and work flows without unnecessary chaos.